All right, so today we are talking about how to get out of the growth mindset, how to get out of a stuck fixed mindset. So today we're going to be looking at what it's like to rewire and how to rewire the brain. Thanks for hanging with me. So the brain, it can either be chosen to work on the brain with a growth mindset or a fixed mindset. We know the brain is plastic and it can be changed. Too many people get stuck in a fixed mindset. They like having a routine. The brain does what it's easy. They don't really like to plan for goals or execute for those goals. They find it frustrating with new changes in their lives. They may feel like they are just barely getting by or doing the bare minimum to get by or just floating nearby. Floating, not quite drowning, just floating on by. And they might even have toxic relationships. Now, there's a solution to the fixed mindset, which is the growth mindset. Now, to put yourself in a growth mindset really requires a lot of dedication, dedicated, proactive action in improving your brain. And so let's go through a few of them right now. What actions can be done? Well, you create habits that are goal-oriented so you can reach your goals. You work on ways in feeding your mind with new experiences, with new thoughts, new insights, and ways to improve the way that your mind thinks. Some of these things can be like socializing or interacting with others. We've got ways such as reading new books or just learning new information in general. The experience of gaining wisdom, eating the right foods, eating foods that support your body to work optimally can help improve neuroplasticity of the brain. Things like serious play or playful play, as you can see here, like playing music and socializing, getting the reciprocity of someone else, or more serious play such as exercise or hula hoop or yoga or powerlifting. And all these methods allow your brain to grow. Your brain is plastic. You could either choose to expand it or you could be stuck in a limited mindset and not grow. And so your goal is to make deliberate choices in ways to improve your brain, whether that's reading new things, learning new things, taking on a new sport, taking on a new language, using your left hand instead of your right hand to brush your teeth, doing things with your non-dominant ways instead of walking forwards, walking backwards with each directions, changing up how your brain figures out patterns, eating the right foods, play, whether it's serious or for leisure. There are many different ways you can use to improve your brain's ability to be plastic, create new connections, lay down new wires, and create new formations to create memories that are easier to play out for your new habits. So in today's video, we talked about the difference between having a growth mindset and a fixed mindset, some of the issues with a fixed mindset, such as being stuck in a routine, being barely feeling like they can get doing the bare minimum to get a by and just floating by, maybe even toxic relationships. Some of the beneficial things to get yourself in a growth mindset would be setting habits toward your goals, feeding your mind, socializing, eating the right things, interacting in serious and leisurely play. I am a health coach and I work with my clients in getting them in a growth mindset so they can work on healing their bodies and minds. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you think someone else might find it helpful, please be sure to share it with them. Please be sure to share it with them. And if you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate you putting in the time for learning this kind of stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and stay beautiful.